I'm doing the clean out of our Nectre baker's oven. I'm hoping this will be the last clean out I do, because we're going to replace it with a batch heater, a batch rocket stove heater in the next few months. Just got to find the time to do it, because we're on piers underneath here. This all needs reinforcing, which is quite a large task. Just wanted to show you a couple of things. A lot of people, these are protections to protect the sidewalls of the heater. That's why they're all warped. People often say that their heaters rust out. Well, I suppose it is rust, but it's just carbonization. It's the that's ash. Excuse me. Yeah, it's just the actual heat of the fire breaking down the metal. It's not rust per se. So if we look in what happens with this heater is, once you close this baffle at the top that you see here, the hot gases go up to the top and they mix and reburn, and then they run down the sides, go under this oven at the bottom, go through the back. This is covered. I've just taken this off to clean it out, and then up the back and out the chimney. So it's a way of sort of increasing efficiency. But what you'll see is, in this soot that's come down are pieces of metal. So this is what's called spalling. So it's actually the fire breaking down. This is I mean, a metal box heater just basically will dissolve over time, which is why they're so inferior to rocket heaters and masonry heaters, which are made out of masonry, which do not deteriorate in the same fashion that metal does. All right, I'll leave you to it. This is a bit of a clean out job in here. I haven't done this for about a year. So this is going to be stopping me, restricting airflow and affecting the way that the heater burns. I'll leave you to it. Bye bye, thanks for watching.